to buy WKC and hold for the future, maybe for long term, medium or short term, then I think you will find this video very helpful for you, because I want to show you maybe how much you can buy WKC. I mean, maybe like 1 billion of WKC right now. How much does it worth? So you can know how much you are buying it presently, and once you are seeing a huge profit, you can know when to take your profits. So if you are new to this channel, this is Crypto Palace. Kindly hit the like button and also subscribe if you are yet to do so. So this video, I want to actually talk about at least total cost of you having 1 billion of WKC presently. So this account you are seeing is actually not my account. Is an account of a friend that has been watching my video for a while now, my different videos around then WKC, and this guy is now having interest in holding at least 1 billion WikiCats for the future. So he called me just 2 days ago and he was asking me that, Shino, I have interest in this WKC, and though he doesn't know how to like do his own research, he doesn't know anything about cryptocurrency actually. He just wants me to just help him out as a friend. So he was asking me that how much can he get at least 1 billion of WKC as at this current price. So I told him to just at least budget, let's say $100 to $110, and he sent me some amount yesterday, and I have used that amount to buy him WKC. So you can see the present price of this 1 billion of WKC. Here is having 1 billion and 420,000 of WKC presently in his wallet, and the price is now what is now $98.74. That is $98.74. That's the amount this my friend is buying is 1 billion WKC presently. And I told him that if you can just buy it and just hold this coin for the future, at least for like maybe some months or some years time, this coin can get to $1 billion market cap, and it can even surpass $1 billion market cap very soon, based on how long you want to hold this coin. But this is not a kind of coin that you just get into it and you just make some small profits and you sell out all your position because you want quick money. This is about wealth transfer. Just look at what Samapi, the founder of WKC, is building. Look at what is going on. And I told him that on this coin, even when you are buying or you are selling, there is 1% bond transaction. There is 1% bond on every transaction. So you've got to like know what you are doing with this WKC. Tell someone out there that don't joke with WKC in 2025. Make it part of your investment plan. Make it part of your investment plan, because this coin, it has a whole lot of potential to do crazy numbers in the future. You can buy WikiCat by 3 different ways, maybe from a centralized exchange, that is to say Mex Exchange or Gate.io, where you can find WikiCat, or you can also buy it from PancakeSwap, maybe on Trust Wallet, MetaMask, BitGet Wallet, or any other Web3 wallet, or you can buy it on Peni Wallet. And just to let you know, Peni Wallet is the best way by which you can buy your WKC. It is very easy and fast on Peni Wallet. So how do you do that? This is a new account. So first is that you must fund your Peni Wallet with USDT or BNB. So I want to fund this wallet now with USDT. You can see WKC, that's WikiCat. You can see USDT here and you can see BNB here. So I want to fund this account with USDT. Then I click on USDT. I've clicked on it. Then you can see send, you can see receive, you can see swap, and you can see spray. So I just click on receive here. I click on receive. Then I click here to copy the address of this USDT. I click on it, address copy. So I will now go to any exchange that I'm using and send USDT to this address. Let me go to my exchange now. Okay, so this is my Binance account now, and I want to send some USDT to the address I have copied from Peni Wallet. So I just come here, I will click on send. I click on send. Then I click on on-chain withdraw. On-chain withdraw. Then I will select USDT. Then I will paste the address here. Address has been pasted. Then I will come down here. You can see select network. I click this arrow here. BSC, BNB, Smart Chain, BEP20. I will select it. Then let's say I want to transfer just $12. I will type $12 here. $12. Then I will click on withdraw. I click on withdraw. Then I will click on confirm. I click on confirm. Alright, so I will get my code from my Google Authenticator. So the code I got is 963300. 963300. So I click on submit. Alright, it's going already. Yeah, great. Withdrawal processing 12 USDT. I have successfully transferred $12 to my Peni Wallet. If you are looking for a place where you can be getting a quick update about low caps and tiny coins, then you are in the right channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on that notification bell. On this channel, we talk about crypto, airdrop, and other legit platforms. Okay, so you can see it here, guys. My $12 has arrived in my Peni Wallet. I'm now having 11.96 cents. Now I want to use this amount to buy WKC. So I'll just come down here. You can see wallet, you can see swap, you can see spray. Just click on swap. I click on swap. Then you can see select token. So I want to use USDT to buy WKC. So I will select USDT here on the first page. I click on this select token. And I select USDT. I want to spend just $10. So I will come down here again and I will select WKC here. WKC. I click on it. Alright, WKC. So I'm spending $10 to buy WKC. That will give me 94,375,000 of WKC. Then I will click on preview swap. And I will be charged 0.206 cents. I just click on preview swap. I click on preview swap. Then I click on confirm swap. Confirm swap. It is swapping now. It is swapping. Then I will type my passcode here. It is swapping. It is swapping. So swap submitted. Done. I will now click on done now. Then I will click on my wallet to see what I have purchased. So I'm now having 97.4 million of WKC. So that is how to fund your Peni Wallet and also buy WKC in your Peni Wallet. And in case you want to buy any other coin also that is maybe under SMC DAO ecosystem or any other coins that is under BNB Smart Chain Network, just come to manage token here. You click on manage tokens. Then you search for the coin here, maybe with the name or with the contract address. But I always advise everyone to always search with the contract address so you won't buy a fake coin. So let's say I want to buy Crepe coin here. So this is on the coin market cap. Let's say I want to copy the contract address of Crepe. I will just scroll down. I will just come down here. I will scroll down. So you can see websites, you can see social. So after social, you have contracts. Then you click on this icon you are seeing here. So Crepe is under BNB Smart Chain Network. You click on this icon here to copy the Crepe contract address. Let me click on it. Let me click on it. Alright, so it has been copied. So I will now go back to my Peni Wallet and paste this address on my Peni Wallet. And I have gone to CoinMarketCap to copy my Crepe coin contract address. I will just paste it here. I will paste it here. So I want to paste the Crepe contract address here. Alright, so it has brought it out for me. And I will click on this place here. So it is now on. By clicking here, that means I have added this Crepe coin to my Peni Wallet tokens. And I will go back. So you can now see that Crepe is now showing in this wallet now. That is how to add a coin to your Penny wallet. And if I want to buy this Crepe coin, I will just follow the same process I used when I wanted to buy WKC also. I will just click on swap. Then I will select USDT here. Then I will select USDT here. Then I will come here and select Crepe. Then I will type the amount I want to buy here. Let's say I want to buy just $1. Then that will give me 36,000 worth of Crepe. Then I will click on preview swap, and I will click on confirm swap. Then I will enter my passcode also. It is swapping. I'm getting this amount of Crepe for just $1. Swap submitted. Then I click on done. Then I click on wallets. So you can see it here, guys. I'm now having Crepe also that I just bought. It is now showing here. I'm having 37,000 Crepe and 97 million WKC in this Penny wallet. So that is how to fund your Penny wallet and use the USDT to buy WKC in your Penny wallet. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't ever forget that WKC is the bull run. Thanks for watching, guys, and let us meet in my next video.